Hi, I'm Styrbjörn Torbacke from Advantech. I look after retail here in Europe. And on our stand we're presenting the USM-600 that we launched together with Intel. This is the worldwide launch on the Intel event on Wednesday night. The USM-600 is our first product that follows Intel's VDD, so Visual Data Device standard. It is a dual CPU board edge server aimed at retail, where one CPU can look after the transactional side of business in the store, and the second one is able to run vPro, OpenVINO, video accelerators to do the data analytics side of things. If you want more information on this, please visit our website at www.advantech.com.